Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about one of the migrant wagtails in Sri Lanka. The western yellow wagtail. The western yellow wagtail is a small passerine in the wagtail family. Like other wagtails, walks on ground and pumps its long, white-sided tail up and down. This species breeds in much of temperate Europe and Asia. It is resident in milder parts of its range, such as Western Europe, but northern and eastern populations migrate to Africa and South Asia. Plumage highly variable, but breeding male wholly bright yellow below, with greenish back. Male head pattern varies regionally. Female and non-breeding plumage drabber and paler with ghosting of male patterns. Widespread wagtail favoring wet meadows, marshland, grassy and muddy lake shores, occurs in fields and often near livestock during migration. In the pyramid text of Old Kingdom Egypt, the yellow wagtail was considered a representation of Atum, which in turn is the supposed inspiration for the phoenix of Greek mythology. Their calls are like locally named Kaha Halapenda. I have not seen the western yellow wagtail. One such place you can see them is in Jaffna. Jaffna is the northernmost biggest city in Sri Lanka. The easiest way to get to Jaffna is by train. And there are many attractions for you to see in and around the area of Jaffna. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the dull blue flycatcher.